Hello everyone, please take a look. It's over 20 meters long. This is a flexible production line for switches and sockets that integrates high-end intelligent technology, excellent production capacity, and strong compatibility, scientifically designed equipment layout, and sophisticated craftsmanship. It has flexible vibration plate, intelligent robotic arms, and high-precision visual inspection. Equipped with high-tech intelligent software integration, with a simple program switch, the equipment can instantly change to produce different styles of switches and sockets. Easy to use, intelligent and efficient. Guaranteed excellent performance and durability. Yicheng products, expertly crafted. If you're in need of a high-end intelligent flexible assembly line, welcome to Yicheng's factory.